Alrighty, what is going on, guys? It's July 4th. Happy Independence Day. Happy Killing Zombies or Aliens Day, whatever that movie was based off of. Let's make it count.
Thanks for always looking out for me, Jake. You got it, buddy.
It's your boy Jakari, and we're about to go to the beach because it's also Cassie's birthday. I didn't get her a gift because I'm a lame ass friend, but we're gonna go see if we can find one. Alrighty, I'll check you on the flip side. See you there. Guess who's back?
Oh, so we did it. Yeah, Mom. Purchase that bitch.
They see me rolling.
Welcome to the show. Oh baby, go on, keep it shining. Oh baby, go on, keep it shining. Oh, get me up, I don't want.
She's gonna be out soon, so like.
But we want those discounts.
She's not gonna give us this.
No, God! But why?
Actually, for you, she could. Maybe.
Exactly.
Because she's the manager of the men's department.
Exactly. And I got a stick between my legs, so.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg! Do you have the address to the beach?
It's all mine. Google it.
No, I'm saying for you.
I got GPS.
Okay. You finally ready there, Cassie?
She has to get gas real quick. And Holyoke on the way to like Bristol Southern Highway.
Had to stop and get some gas, you know what I'm saying? Little low, you know what I'm saying? You know, we out here cruising, Cassie in the front seat. I'm sweating my balls off, but it's all good, you know what I mean? Decided, you know, I'm gonna have some fun, dude.
Gnarly.
Gnarly, dude.
Waves, man. Totally, man. Surf's up, man.
Are you ready? Yo, so we finally made it to the beach like an hour later. It's like 5 o'clock. You know, Cassie decided to finally get ready, but you know, we out here. Good times, good times. So I'm gonna go enjoy myself, or try to, and probably gonna put you guys on pause because walking around with a camera is kind of weird these days. Plus, I left my phone in the car.
Oh, what? Go get it.
What kind of life do you live?
What's that backpack, Jakari? What's my backpack? I don't have enough.
I really wanted those flaming hot Cheetos. Those were gonna be so.
I really wanted the frickin'
the Doritos, you know, and that whole phone is a big bag too. I know, that's $20. I threw $20 away today. Yeah, you know
Alrighty guys, that's probably going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. By the way, the girl in the yellow bikini, that's Allie, that's Cassie's sister. I forgot to introduce her. And I forgot to do my outro while I was at the beach, so this is just going to be a voiceover. We took a couple of good pictures, so I'll show them at the end. But make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.